In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the top gainers on CoinGecko using a web browser. First, go to CoinGecko.com. From the main navigation menu at the top, hover over Cryptocurrencies. A drop-down will appear. Look for the section labeled Gainers and Losers, and click on it. Once you're on the page, you'll see a list of the top 30 coins with the biggest price moves. By default, it usually shows the 24-hour performance. You can toggle between different timeframes, like 1 hour, 24-hour, or 7-day, to see which coins are showing sustained momentum versus those just having a quick volatile spike. Keep an eye on the 24-hour volume column. CoinGecko only includes coins here with at least $50,000 in trading volume. This is helpful because it helps you filter out dead or low liquidity coins that might show huge percentage gains but are impossible to actually trade. When you find a coin that interests you, click on its name to open its dedicated page. There, you can view more detailed information, including price charts, market data, trading volume, historical performance, and other statistics. You can also use filters and sorting tools available on the page to refine your results and focus on specific types of cryptocurrencies if needed. Since cryptocurrency prices change constantly, remember that the list of top gainers can update throughout the day. Refreshing the page will allow you to view the latest market movements and rankings. And that's how to find the top gainers on CoinGecko using a web browser. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.